discussing the disciples. What color were they?
Well, I don't think we know that for certain.
But they were Hebrews, were they not?
That's right.
As was Jesus. Jesus was also a Hebrew.
Why don't you just ask your question?
What color were the original Hebrews?
I have told you that we don't know that for certain.
Then you can't believe for certain that Jesus was white. Because history teaches us that Jesus was born in a region where the people had color. There's proof in the very Bible that you ask us to read in Revelations, 1st chapter, verse 14 and 15, that Jesus had hair like wool and feet the color of bread.
On Israel, we're asking everybody today, any comments
Tell them
on
to
Israel?
get the hell out of Palestine.
Ooh. Any better comments?
Remember, these people are occupied, and it's their land. It's not German, it's not Poland.
So where should they go? What should they do?
They go home.
Where's the home?
Poland.
So the Jews,
Germany.
The Jews go back to Poland and Germany.
And America and everywhere else.
که آقا اینها یهودی هستند و تو چرا ضد یهودی هستی؟ من گفتم ما که مطلقا ضد یهودی نیستیم، اما بدانید اینا دروغ میگن، اینا یهودی نیستند بلکه یک مشت جنایتکار فاسدند که از نام یهودیت سوء استفاده میکنند. اونها دروغ میگن.
Premièrement, par des personnes qui sont venues de l'Afrique, de l'Égypte alors.
It's important to inform the public that from the very beginning the state of Israel, the nation of Israel, was formed by people that came from Africa, black people.
Et ce sont ces Africains venant de l'Égypte qui ont installé Israël dans la terre promise.
And it is these black people from Egypt that established Israel in her promised land.
What does that God look like? Uh-oh. The reality of it is when he came here, he didn't look like me. So what am I going to do about that? I'm going to make him look like me. Because the reality is, the Bible tells us what Jesus looked like when he walked here. The Bible tells us what he's going to look like when he comes back. We have taken that and changed it. Do you remember when Jesus went to Egypt? He hid in Egypt. The people in Egypt, honey, they're not white people. How could he hide that? See, so that we've done that. We've given your people a God that looks like me so that you don't have any qualm about bowing down to me. See, because this is the image of God. I don't know of any sin that we've committed that's greater than that.
اليهود في وقتنا الحالي هل هم لهم علاقة ببني إسرائيل في التاريخ القديم من ناحية العرق والجنس؟ يفترض أن بني إسرائيل في التاريخ القديم كانت لهم مواصفات جسمانية كطول الجسد وكعرض الجسد وشكل الرأس ولون البشرة ولون الشعر ولون العينين. هذه المواصفات التي يفترض أن الأبناء يولدوا دائما يتوارثونها. اليهود الآن منهم الزنجي ومنهم صاحب الشعر الأصفر ومنهم صاحب العيون الزرقاء، يعني تقريبا يتنوعوا ما بين أجناس البشر المختلفة. وبالتالي الحديث عن أن هؤلاء في العصر الحديث لهم علاقة ببني إسرائيل في التاريخ القديم هذا ليس صحيح. الرابط الوحيد بين هؤلاء وبين بني إسرائيل في التاريخ القديم بعد السبي البابلي أو قبل ذلك بالنسبة للذين كانوا يرتكبون المشاكل أو يسببون الأزمات التاريخية، الرابط هو الديانة وليس الرابط العرقي.
لماذا نجد الدموية لديهم والعنصرية؟
يبدو سبحان الله يبدو أنه شيء فطري فيهم.
nakozonga lisusu te. Ngai namona bapasi ebele, na kati ya bapasi nanga nabelaki Yawe, pe ye apesaki ngai eyano. Yawe longolanga na maboko ya bato ya lokuta, bango balingi ntango nyonso se kokosa bino bato ya lokuta. Etumbu nini Nzambe apesa bino? Etumbu nini Nzambe apesa bino? Bino bato ya lokuta, etumbu nini Nzambe apesa bino? Maloba na bino ezali bopele blafesha bitumba oyo batia mino ya moto. Mawa nanga pona nazalaka na mboka ya mabulu, nafandaka na kati ya bato bayebi Nzambe te, na umeli mingi penza. Ngai nalukaka kimia, bango balingaka kaka bitumba.